Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy recipe for granola without nuts. So let's get started. In this big bowl, we're gonna add practically all the dry seed ingredients except the chia seeds. Reason being is that we don't want it to burn because it is the smaller seed. Oats, pepita seeds or pumpkin seeds. If you can't find raw pepita seeds or pumpkin seeds, you can totally use already roasted salted. Just add it at the end. Raw sunflower seeds, hemp seeds, flax, sesame seeds. I'm gonna give that a quick little toss. And I like to use old-fashioned oats. It toasts better than quick cooking oats, so make sure you do use old-fashioned oats. And into this measuring cup, I'm gonna add maple syrup. This is one of the 2 sweeteners in here. You can opt out of the brown sugar. You don't have to use the brown sugar. Ground flax seed so that all the granola can stick together. Some salt. I like cinnamon. I use a little bit because I don't want it to be overpowering to like if I want to add it to like yogurt or something. We got avocado oil and we're gonna give it a quick whisk. You want to whisk it just well enough to emulsify everything. All right. Before you preheat, you want to make sure you take out your crisper plate. We're just going to be using the basket today. 325, 3 minutes. So while that's preheating, we can add our wet ingredients to our dry. Best part about this granola, you can store it just room temperature in an airtight container for a good amount of time. I want to say at least a week. We're going to give it a nice mix until it almost, I don't want to say moist. Who likes the word moist? Almost like I want to say consistency of like wet sand. Once that's done preheating, you take it out and you're just gonna add your granola into there. And then we're just gonna spread it out a bit. Bake at 325 for 15 minutes. Halfway through, we're gonna give it a quick little stir just so that everything's getting evenly toasted. Back it goes. Okay, now that it's done, we're gonna transfer. The reason why we want to put it in a baking sheet is that if you leave it in here, it's going to start to steam and it's going to make all the seeds and the oats soggy. You can sprinkle the rest of the chia seeds in here and give it a good little mix. All right, let this cool for a bit. So this is my favorite way to eat granola. It's whole Greek yogurt. I like to put some of the granola on the side and some berries, whatever fresh berries or fresh fruit you have. You can use frozen fruit. And that's practically it. And there you have it, a quick granola recipe. Let me know. Do you like to eat your granola with yogurt, ice cream, maybe pancakes? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.